Hi, if you're a leader of a team and you'd like to build a smarter team, come and join us on Thursday, the 12th of September at 12:30 because we're going to be having a conversation and a workshop about building smarter teams, and it's all about the neuroscience of collaboration and diversity. So we're going to be discussing things like how to create psychological safety in the team. And that doesn't mean that people are cocooned and everyone's just feeling like happy all the time, but more about how to be able to challenge each other in a safe, robust and safe way. And we're going to be looking also at some of the interesting stuff around how neuroscience is giving us insights into the team dynamics and what you would need to do as a leader to harness the benefits, but also to avoid some of the natural downsides that can come from a strongly bonded team. So come and join us, Building Smarter Teams, on Thursday, the 12th of September at 12:30. And you can register by clicking on the link below. We look forward to seeing you there. Stay curious.